Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Savana AI for beginners in 2026. If you're new to the platform, don't worry. I'll walk you through the basic steps to help you get started quickly. So let's get started. First, open Savana AI in your web browser or launch the app, then sign in to your account. If you don't have an account yet, create one by following the sign-up process. Next, take a quick look around the dashboard. Yeah, you'll find the main tools, settings, and workspace where you'll create and manage your AI projects. Now, start your first project by selecting the feature you want to use. Enter a clear prompt or upload the required content, depending on the task you're working on. The more specific your instructions are, the better the AI's results will be. After that, review the AI-generated output and make any edits or adjustments you need. You can regenerate the results, refine your prompt, or customize the content until you're satisfied. Finally, save or export your completed project using the available download or sharing options. As you become more familiar with the platform, explore additional tools and settings to unlock even more features. And that's it. You now know the basics of using Savana AI. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.